I've seen this car at a few TOMC autocross events and it rips. I actually have another video. Finally got a ride in it and holy shit. Ported and polished everything, bigger turbo, sticky tires. This thing's a rocket. Just watch. Yeah, that's about as hard as I felt one of those pull. You're not driving, man. Oh my. If you're an autocross person or even just any kind of car person, give me a like, share, and subscribe. We've got lots of stuff coming up here, all sorts of fun, exotic, and fast cars. Thanks.